Let's talk about Punjab now. Punjab coming up. This is a team that has a new coach, an Indian coach, a legendary coach, no less than Anil Kumble. We have KL Rahul, of course, who's going to be captain. So let's have a look at that squad. They, of course, have lost their last season's captain, not lost, but traded to Delhi. Ashwin is gone. KL Rahul taking over as captain. Spoke to Chris Gayle, who said he's very excited about KL Rahul being captain. They're big fans from Bangalore. But this Punjab team looks like, just like Joy takes every team through Calcutta, this Punjab team is coming via Bangalore, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. This is completely a Bangalore team. But it's not bad for them because, having a core of 3-4 guys who really like each other is really useful. The other person I'm telling you who was in red hot form this year could get a game is Sarfaraz Khan. I mean, he's settled down here. He's had a couple of, really big Ranji Trophy knocks, and he could be interesting out here. The only problem about this Punjab team, and since I have a bookshelf, have a look at this lineup, I just want to pull out one book for you guys, and I want to show it for you guys. Can we just have me on? Yeah. This is a book by a chap called Matthew Ridley, which is called The Red Queen. And the Red Queen theory is a theory of evolution, which is that the Red Queen in Alice in Wonderland keeps running. All the people keep running, but they stay in the same place because everyone's running. So similarly, Punjab, the problem with them is even when they get better, every other team is also getting better. They never seem to be getting anywhere ahead of where they were before. And that's the problem there.
I thought you were talking about Preeti for a second. I was just like, why is he not saying what he's talking about?
You guys are still red.
Preeti Zinta is the Red Queen.
Yeah. Big question for Punjab. To Gayle or not to Gayle?
And that will occupy their minds for such a long time because they want to play Maxwell, to play Mujib, and they want to play either Cottrell or Jordan. So now that leaves one other player. Do they play Nicholas?
Let's get this going back up.
World is talking about as the player to watch out for. Do they play Chris Gayle and tell Pooran just hang on a bit, or do they play both of them and tell of whom there are a few, not too many scattered around over there? So Chris Gayle is the big question, and I'm just imagining KL Rahul going up to Chris Gayle, rising up tall and saying, "Chris, you're not playing," and he says, "Go jump, man, I am. What are you going to do about it?" Now I think Kumble is going to take that call, but yeah, that they simply have to take. And that decision is, do you play Gayle, do you not play Gayle? It's a tough call.
Yeah, on this, I just want to jump in because if you remember 2011, Chris Gayle had not been picked by anyone in the auction. He wasn't picked in the auction. RCB wasn't doing well. At that time, the man in charge of RCB was Anil Kumble, and he made that phone call. So he has that relationship. So Kumble has that relationship with Gayle, and I think that statement of deciding or putting an arm around his shoulder and saying you're probably not playing, maybe Kumble will say, "Gayle, I'll have a chat with him. I will sort it out with him," because I think that's how it's going to work. And the kind of team that they put together in terms of the staff or the kind of people who are working on it, Anil has a very, very clear vision of what he wants to do with this team. So expect this to be a team that plays hard because Kumble teams never not play hard. They may not always win it, but they're going to play very hard. And the crucial one for you guys out there again is Mohammad Shami, because the way that team is composed, you cannot have him failing. He is your only Indian fast bowler with any pedigree. So if he does not perform for you, you're in a lot of trouble. Now, traditionally, Shami has not had great IPLs. I mean, his IPL record is not great compared to, say, his international record. This is the year to make it happen.
Well, I just want to ask you one question that, Gayle did very well for Bangalore in 2011, which is the team that didn't retain him.
I haven't heard of that. I wouldn't know.
The team that didn't retain him, the team that used him for 3 years, from Jamaica to Mohali via Kolkata.
Again.